In this lesson, we are going to be downloading SQL Developer for Oracle. This is ideal if you want a dedicated tool to manage your Oracle database. To download Oracle Developer, head over to oracle.com/database/SQL Developer. Once you're on the page, all you need to do is select Download SQL Developer. So for this course, I'll be downloading the Windows 64-bit with JDK 11 included. So hit download, accept the license agreement, and select download. It will prompt you to log in to the website. If you don't have an account, create one to proceed with the download. Once the download is completed, open and extract the file. So I'll be extracting this to my desktop. Once the extract is completed, open the application file. In order to create a connection to the database, select the plus icon. However, we do not have a database as yet, but further on in this section, you'll see where to get your connection details.